This video shows the assembly of USMW HD water pump US60P. This water pump is a direct replacement for Detroit Diesel Series 60 late and Series 50 pumps. Please see the listed reference numbers. Like all US Motorworks water pumps, USMW HD water pump part number US60P is a 100% new unit. During assembly, Loctite is used to ensure the assembly's longevity. The water pump shaft is case-hardened and precision CNC machined. This water pump is manufactured to meet or exceed OEM specifications. A few of the features of this pump are OEM-specified case-hardened bearings, efficient composite impeller, high-quality hub, precision CNC machined housing and surfaces, OEM-specified high-quality premium seals. These premium components combine to provide optimum cooling and pump longevity. Before packaging and shipping, all US Motorworks water pumps are leak tested. Each pump is measured to ensure proper fit, form, and function. US Motorworks, industry-leading quality, 100% OEM performance.